Time for do-it-yourself home automation. And this is a look at the Rode VideoMicro compact on-camera microphone. So this is a little unpowered microphone. It gets its power from the plug-in power on your device. And it's a nice little directional microphone for use on your camera if you're using a DSLR or a camcorder to do video recording. So Rode, really good quality. It's a really solid microphone here, and it's unidirectional. So you're basically only picking up what's directly in front of this. So it's designed to be mounted on the top of your camera, positioned pointing towards your subject, and you can pick up much better audio usually than the built-in microphone on your device. The output here is a just standard microphone output. So this will usually go into the microphone jack on a phone, on a DSLR, again on a camcorder, and then you can position this and get better quality audio. To mount it, I usually just actually kind of put it either with gaffer's tape, or I put it, if I'm setting up a tripod, I'll mount it elsewhere on the tripod. It also comes with a shock mount that you can put into the hot shoe on top of your camera, but I'm often using that for something else, so I like to mount this externally. And I find that, again, it's good as a unidirectional mic. Usually if you have a subject maybe 6-7 feet out in front of you and you want to be picking up better audio. And it also comes with this really fluffy microphone shield to cut down on wind noise. Again, it's really great for if you're out on location shooting. I don't know that I would use it as much for a studio microphone, but if you're out there on location, this thing is great. I'll put it on. You can see how this ends up looking on the microphone. There we go. So again, really good wind protection there. It's definitely something I'll put on a tripod, have next to my camera, and use for interviews or just ambient sound if you're out in the field shooting with a DSLR or another video camera.